In this section, we're going to be seeing how to exploit JBOSS using Canvas. So we have a Debian server over here. So let's open it. And let us move into the OPT folder. And you can see there is a folder called JBOSS. We'll go inside JBOSS/bin and list the files. So we're going to give sh space run.sh space hyphen b 0.0.0.0, and we're going to give an ampersand symbol in the end. So first you're going to be running the sh file, and you're going to specify that it's going to work from all IP addresses, and the ampersand symbol is to get back the terminal after JBOSS has started. So JBOSS is starting, and so you got the terminal back. So now let's get the IP address. So we'll type ifconfig, and the IP address is 192.168.56.103. So let's go to Canvas, Applications, Terminal. So let's just run Canvas, sudo canvas. So it's saying all dependencies are satisfied, and it has started. So we're going to add a target host, which is going to be the IP address we want to attack. So 192.168.56.103. Give OK, and your current target should change. And we can search for a port scan. So let's just search port scan. And you can see some results. We're going to use the port scanner, and we're going to give custom range, and over here we're going to specify 80 and 21 to 25 and 8080. So these are some common ports. So we're just going to give OK, and this port scan has started. So it's saying port scan is done. So let's open it and see what it has found. It is saying it has found 3 open ports over here. That is 80, 80, and 22. So let's again go to the internet and open the web browser. So let's give 192.168.56.103:8080. See what's at 8080. And you can see it's saying JBOSS, and we're going to use the fingerprint module just to be sure. So we're going to use the HTTP fingerprint, which will fingerprint a HTTP server. So let's select that and give the same host, but the port address we're going to change to 8080, which is where JBOSS is running. So let's give OK. And you can see the result is over here. So it's saying it's running on a Tomcat server, and it's running JBOSS. So let's search for any exploits for JBOSS. And there is one, which is the JBOSS JMX console deployer. So it works on most operating systems. And JBOSS, it's a vulnerability in the JBOSS console. And this works on JBOSS 4.x, 5.x, and 6.x, both on Windows and Linux, like I said. So let's double click on it. So the host and port are proper. So we'll just give OK. So it's doing the attack, and it has popped up a command shell over here. So you can control the computer from here, and you can see there is an extra node which has been added, which is the compromised machine. So this is the current directory, and we can get a directory listing which shows all the files. And let's run whoami command to see what level of user we are. So most JBOSS run as root, so you can see it's returning back root. So let us just confirm that this is root. So we can browse the files over here. And I'm going to give cat/etc/shadow. This is going to show the shadow file, which is only supposed to be accessible for root users. And you can see it's printing out the contents of the shadow file. And a hacker can crack this password, and he basically has access to all the functions in this system.